Hi, I'm Jill Beals. I'm the instructor for the summer online college algebra class, Math 180. I'm really looking forward to having you in class. I've been teaching at George Fox for about 10 years and teaching college algebra for most of those. I'm going to spend this video talking just a little bit about me, introducing myself, and then introducing the course, going over the different components that make up the course. So to start off with, it could quite possibly be while you're watching this video, I am actually not here in my office, but in Hawaii. My family and I are kicking off the summer with a week in Hawaii. We're on the big island of Hawaii, staying on the Kona coast. It's the first time we've all four been there together, and we are really looking forward to it. And I am sure we're having a great time right now as you are watching this video. So I have a couple other trips planned too for the time that we have this course. Right when I get back from Hawaii, I'm going to take my younger son down to California for a town ball tournament. If you have not heard of town ball, it is an early form of baseball. There were several forms of baseball that were played in the United States before the sport as we know it now was established and developed into how it's played currently in our modern times. Town ball was one of those ways that it was played in some regions of the United States, and it has some overlap with baseball, and then it has some of its own unique rules, such as there's no foul balls, everything is fair. So my son's been playing that with his school for the last year, and they're going to get a chance to now play another team in California. So I'll be doing that actually this coming weekend over, I think it's like June 7th and 8th. And then later in June, I'm flying to Georgia for my niece's wedding. So this is one of the great things about having an online course. It allows us, both you and me, to be doing other things while teaching or taking a course. So I'm sure you have vacations planned, you have work that you are doing on a daily basis, maybe you're hanging out with friends and family, you're just wanting some downtime. Well, this course, you're going to be able to do all of those things and get your coursework done. Okay, so let's go through the coursework. Okay, so an online course in math, maybe it doesn't seem like a really great fit. So here are the components that I have designed to hopefully make it work really well for you. The first thing is the textbook is an online textbook, and it's not just a textbook that is static, that you just read line by line by line and you read examples, and then there's a set of problems at the end of the section to do. In this textbook, you will do some reading, like maybe a couple lines, maybe look at an example, and then you get a chance to practice what you just read about. So you get a chance to immediately apply the concepts that are being presented in the textbook. So each week you will be given a section of the textbook to cover, and that means doing the reading and completing all of the participation activity questions that are a part of the reading. Okay, so that's one way that you have to encounter the content of the course, is doing that reading and then interacting with those concepts by practicing problems immediately. All right, the second way that you get to interact with the material is to watch videos that I am putting together. And so in the videos, you get to see the problems, worked out, like you would see worked out on a whiteboard in the classroom. You get to hear my voice explaining, right? So you're getting to see something and hear something. In those videos, again, I will be explaining concepts and then immediately applying them with examples. So the great thing about the videos is that you can watch them as many times as you need to. You can pause and work something out and then restart it. You can back up. It's like, oh, I'm not quite sure. I heard all of that. You can back up, listen to what it was, and then go on from there. All right, so that's the second component. It's the videos. Third component of the course are paper and pencil assignments. I think there's really, I think that's such a great way to, again, another way to encounter the content of the course is to not just plug things into the computer on the screen, all right, but to actually have a piece of paper, a problem, some algebraic application, and then work through that for the solution, for the answer. So the way that'll work is that on Foxtail, there will be posted assignments for each week, and you either print it off or you view it on screen and you work through the problems on your own paper. Either way, when you're finished, you can take a picture and convert it to a PDF and upload it to Foxtail. All right, so those, so that is the other component. That is another component that's going to be graded. Another thing that is a requirement for the grade. So the reading and the interactive part with the textbook needs to be done by Thursday, and then that weekly assignment is done by Sunday. All right, and then the videos are there to supplement the reading as well. All right, the other component of the course are exams. And the way the exams are going to work is there are two parts. One is a written part, very similar to the way the weekly assignments will work, where you can either view it on screen or print it out, work through it on the printed out paper or on your own paper, take a picture, convert to PDF, upload to Foxtail, and then I have that. So that's one part of each exam. The other part is we are going to have a video chat, all right? And you are going to do a problem applying some algebraic concept with me and explain it to me. And we'll get a lot more details about how this will work closer to that first exam. But each exam will have both of those components, kind of the written part and then that oral part, where you get a chance to talk to me about an algebra problem. All right, so that's pretty much how the course is going to work. It's 8 weeks, all right? Each week is gonna follow that similar pattern of having the reading and that interactive participation activities due by Thursday, the written assignment due on Sunday. The only exception to that pattern is those days that we've got exams, and then the due dates are a little bit different. Okay, I hope that you've had a chance or will take a chance to explore Foxtail. There is a lot of content there, and there is a lot of materials and resources there. So make sure you check out the syllabus. Make sure you check out the integrity policy. Make sure that you check out that first week and look at the topics that we're going to be covering. Now, the other very, very important thing is that you need to subscribe to the textbook. So when you go to the syllabus, there are links in the syllabus to the website for the textbook, and there are really specific instructions on how to subscribe. All right, there is a cost for it. It's $29, and there is a code that you will need for our course that's in the syllabus. There'll be a place for you to enter that when you do the subscription. Okay, please don't hesitate to email me with any questions whatsoever, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. All right, I hope you are enjoying your summer, and like I said, I'm really looking forward to having you in class, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.